Good morning, everybody. Here is my sweetheart into an early morning cold start. There's a 351 Midland. Got a roller cam, 4-barrel EdelBrock, wean and intake. Nice lifter setup, and I can't remember what it is anyways. I'm not a mechanic yet. I'm a monkey mechanic, that's it. Anyways, this is the 77 Thunderbird. And it said California Special on the title. This is the only one I've ever seen in 6 years that has both the insignia and the name Thunderbird on the headlights. The T-bird emblem there, the original had a green inlay that I found in the trunk when I first bought her. I bought her at 24,541 miles. Driver's side quarter panel has been replaced. The California Special had the bumper guard there, the door guard. The chrome on the bottom, which I don't know if you can see very well, it's not in the sunlight. But I can pop the trunk from a button inside the cab or inside interior. Everything else is original and straight. Sorry, it's not a very good video, is it, guys and gals? Anyway, she's pretty straight. She's got dual exhaust. The factory setup was the dual exhaust with glass packs, and I was actually lucky enough to find an old pair of glass packs at a A1 muffler in Spokane, and Pat was absolutely wonderful and hooked me up with that. We've had the whole exhaust system redone. Tickle her and wake her up. Right now, I've got 46,184 miles. Shut that off. Yes, good morning, sweetheart. Give her a little juicy juice. There we go. Alrighty. With the original engine, she used to purr. Now she just downright growls. AC is unhooked for now. We're gonna put a whole new system in there. But other than that, this quarter panel, she's pretty clean. My battery's getting low, so I'll do a supplemental later, but alrighty. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great week. Alright. Cold start. Oh, look, you can see my ugly mug in them. Yeah, anyways. Came from town hours ago, so I'll put her away. She's starting to rain on me. There we are. Should still be warm. By the way, if you see, where's it at? There it is. Got 45,000 miles on it. I think 40,510 or 14 like that was when the motor got rebuilt and put in. So got about 600 miles on it now. Well, let me see if I can catch a little growl here. I like that. Alrighty, it's gonna be at the end of the everything I had before, so there you go. Alrighty, have a great day.